Exploring the human mind. Observations on female attraction and its fulfillment. Psychological insights. When a woman embraces you tightly during intercourse, or pauses to take a deep breath, it signifies her satisfaction. A woman loses control during sex when a man shows attraction to her breasts, even before the act begins. Merely the thought of sex can arouse a woman's nipples. The pleasure of intercourse heightens by penetrating the woman from behind. Observing a woman's exposed breasts intensifies the sexual experience. Engaging in sex with a woman amplifies the allure of her desirable traits. Men who pursue multiple partners prioritize sex, but often find dissatisfaction in their relationships. Men are particularly drawn to women dressed in red. Contrary to popular belief, women think about sex more frequently than men. Consistent sexual activity with a partner indicates deepening affection. From the woman's perspective, women derive greater happiness from their intimate parts, with larger breasts being associated with increased satisfaction. Women with smaller breasts may find it harder to become aroused. Individuals who engage in more relationships typically exhibit higher self-confidence during sexual encounters. When a woman tightens her vaginal muscles around the penis, it indicates heightened blood flow and increased pleasure. Thanks for watching.